What's up, geocachers? This is Keats94. Welcome to Langley, British Columbia. Here we are going to find some awesome geocaches and maybe even just a where-ago. Stay tuned. Styrofoam. Folks, we are right now heading westbound towards Fort Langley, and I just want to explain what a reverse where-ago is. So there's a separate app. If you have an iPhone, you can get this app, and it basically gives you access to these things called where-ago cartridges. Now, a where-ago, as I've mentioned earlier in the top 10 geocaching icons video that I've posted, they are a very unique type of hide. This is a reverse where-ago, so you download the cartridge, and then on the app there is a reverse cache box, or it's a cache box that lets you know how close you are, but it doesn't let you know which direction to go. So it's a bit of a guessing game sometimes of where this particular cache is, and if you are in a particular area where it could be north, south, east, west, sometimes you have to experiment where to go. So right now we believe that this where-ago cache is somewhere in Fort Langley. Tag along and then we'll see what we can find. Folks, we found the reverse where-ago cache. I'm not going to give away the location. It's somewhere in this cedar tree. Guess what? Anyway, come by at this random location. Take a look at the map of Langley, British Columbia, and you might just see it. You know what? Maybe I'll give you the GC code for this one after all, but I'm not going to give away the final location because you have to come out here and experience it yourself. Gasp! There it is! Folks, welcome to Derby Reach Regional Park. Here we're going to be looking for another geocache just down the trail. We're going to be looking for a mystery cache this time, and it's another very rainy, wet coast day in Langley, British Columbia. We seem to have been duped by the assumption that we were going to be snowed on today, which did not happen, but you just learn to roll with the punches on the rainy, wet coast. Folks, we've reached ground zero, or kind of ground zero. No luck with this cache. No idea where it could be. We are searching high and low, and Keats94 is searching as we speak right now. I have no idea where this thing could be, so let's see if we can find it. Stay tuned. Boom, that's a find.
Mom, do you want the keys?
And that's a geocache. We succeeded in finding it, folks. It took a bit of time and a bit of a PAF, phone a finder, as they say, but we managed to find it. Another very rainy day on the Fraser River. Right where I'm standing on is a very silty situation. Very this is what the Fraser River generates quite a bit of is silt. And fun fact, a grade 9 Keats94 was trying to jump across a silt bar near UBC on the Fraser River and snapped his ankle. So that, I have a special relationship with this muddy stuff.
Folks, Fraser River salt, very delicious, very high in fiber, quite nutritious actually.
Check this out, folks. I found a cool pot. Or it looks like a terracotta pot thing. I don't know how old it is. It's probably just some random garden furniture thing, garden pot. But I might actually turn this into a geocache, maybe. Who knows? Folks, thanks so much for watching another episode of Keats94’s Geocaching Adventures. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. New episodes coming to you Fridays at 10 a.m. Thanks for watching.